Hello students, today we are going to start unit 2 for the theme heat, which is temperature and its measurement. In the first part we have already studied what is heat, what are the different effects of heat. If you haven't checked out the video, please go and check it. Okay, so let's start temperature and its measurement. You know that temperature is a very important part of our life. We keep on asking what is the temperature today, it's too hot, what will be the temperature, when the temperature will come down. The temperature comes down in the winters, the temperature goes above 40 degree in the summers. So temperature plays a very prominent role in our day to day life. So what is the temperature? It is the degree of hotness or coldness of any object. कोई भी object कितना hot है या कितना cold है वो हमें किससे पता चलता है? वो हमें temperature से पता चलता है. So temperature हमें बताता है कि degree of hotness and coldness of a ऑब्जेक्ट. अब हम टेम्परेचर मेजर किससे करते हैं? वी मेजर द टेम्परेचर विद द हेल्प ऑफ थर्मामीटर. एवरीवन नो दिस थिंग. डिवाइस यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज थर्मोमीटर. नाउ इन अ थर्मोमीटर, एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम, लेट्स सी द डायग्राम. In this you have a very thin tube which is called as capillary tube. You can see there is a bulb in the starting of this which is carrying a thermometric liquid. Thermometric liquid mostly is mercury that you see at your home also. So in this bulb is filled with thermometric liquid. This is a very thin capillary tube. It is closed from the other end after evacuating all the air from it. Then as it is very thin and it can break very easily, to protect it we enclose it into a very thick glass which is called as stem. thick glass में हम ट्यूब में इसको हम enclose करते हैं which is called as stem. Then on stem we have some markings. These markings are from, like you can see, it is from -10 to 110 degree C. These markings are called as gradations or degrees. Fine. So standard points और the fixed point. इसके अंदर क्या क्या है हमारे पास? The fixed temperature marked. You know that all the temperature markings, they are fixed, well accepted by the scientist. That's why we called is standard points. Standard और fixed point जो सब उसको मानते हैं. इसमें हमारे पास lower limit है -10 degree C and the upper limit is 110. You can see. So lower standard point, the melting point of the pure ice at a pressure of 76 centimeter of mercury is called as lower standard point. It is 0 degree C. Upper standard point, upper limit, which is 100 degree C. Mostly हम लेते हैं the boiling point of pure water at 76 centimeter pressure of mercury. Fine. These are the two lower and upper limits that we take in most of the thermometers. The next thing is qualities of good thermometric liquid. एक जो liquid इसमें हम fill करते हैं, there are so many type of liquids like mercury, alcohol we use. So what should be the basic characteristics or the qualities of these liquid? First thing, they should absorb the minute, smallest, very small change in the temperature must be absorbed by them, must be felt by them. दे शुड एक्सपेंड यूनिफॉर्मली. ऐसा नहीं है थोड़ा सा एक जगह से एक्सपेंड हो गया दूसरी जगह से नहीं हुआ. दे शुड एक्सपेंड यूनिफॉर्मली व्हेन हीट इज सप्लाइड टू देम. दे शुड हैव वाइड रेंज, like from 0 degree C to 100 degree C, -10 degree C to 110 degree C. So wide range of temperatures must be covered. They should not stick to the walls. अगर वो walls को ही stick हो गए तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे in the capillary tube? So they should not stick into the walls of the capillary tube. It should be opaque, colored or shining so that it can be visible. जो आपका mercury होता है that is very shiny. That's why we are able to see the temperature using that thermometer very easily. They should be easily available in pure form. जो भी हम liquid उसमें use कर रहे हैं, mercury, मान लिया हमने mercury तो select कर लिया, लेकिन market में या उसकी availability बहुत कम है तो उसको हम थर्मोमीटर में कैसे यूज करेंगे? सो वट एवर मटीरियल यू आर यूजिंग दैट शुड बी अवेलेबल वेरी इजीली एंड इन अबंडेंस इन द मार्केट. देन वी हैव थर्मोमीटर्स. देन वी हैव thermometers using mercury. अब mercury expands very well. Mercury boils at 357 डिग्री सी. सो मैक्सिमम 357 डिग्री से भी अगर बड़ा कोई टेम्परेचर है वी कैन नॉट यूज इट फॉर दैट. अगर जो मरकरी है दैट सॉलिडिफाइज एट -39 डिग्री सी, -39 डिग्री सी पर वो जम जाता है, तो उससे कम के टेम्परेचर को हम उस पर नहीं मेजर कर सकते हैं. इट डज नॉट स्टिक and it is opaque and shiny. This is good quality. Fine. Then we have using of alcohol. You know that after -39 degree C we cannot use mercury. So for the solution is using of alcohol. Alcohol जो है that freezes at -100 degree C. So -100 degree C के temperature को we can measure using the alcohol thermometers. The mercury cannot be used for measuring very low temperature and freezes at -39 degree C. Fine. So alcohol expands more than mercury. It is more temperature sensitive. It is brightly colored, can be easily seen. Now in the end we have different kind of scales. We have Celsius scale, we have Kelvin scale, we have Fahrenheit scale. In case of Celsius scale, the minimum temperature that we take is 0 degree C and the maximum is 100 degree C. You know that, and each small part is converted into whole minimum and the maximum part. They are converted into 100 small parts, and each small part is of 1 degree C. Then we have Kelvin scale. Here we go for 273 Kelvin to 373 Kelvin, and if you add, like if you want to convert 0 degree C into Kelvin, you will have to add 273 into it. Fine. So 0 Kelvin is -273 degree C. It is given by Lord Kelvin, so that's why we call it Kelvin scale. Fine. Now Fahrenheit scale, this scale was designed by British scientist. The lowest standard point is 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit is being the gradation that is being used in this. If you want to convert these two, we have the formula for it. F is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32, or you can simply say C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. So these are the formulas that we use for interconversion of degree C or Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we can easily say C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. So this is the formula that we use. C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32 for interconversion of scales. Like temperature in Kelvin will be degree C plus 273. Fine. This is how this will be used in the solving of numericals. Now let's see the exercises also. These are the exercises of this. You can see and mark it properly in your book if you have the same book. Otherwise you can go through it. You will be able to know a lot more things through it. This is the another page of it. You can mark. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you.